Welcome back to the KUKA iiQWorks tutorial video series. This is Chris, and in this tutorial we'll provide an overview of iiQWorks.Sim. You'll get familiar with the general user interface and learn how to import option packages. We'll explore the Help tab and you will learn where to find the guided workflows. We'll also cover essentials like the zoom, pan and orbit features as well as the render modes. Let's dive in.
I will give you an overview of the iiQWorks.Sim user interface. Once the engineering tool is open, you will find different tabs at the top of the window. We are currently in the Home tab. In addition to that, there is a File, Modeling, Program, Configuration and Help tab. We will discover them in the following tutorial videos. Over the tab bar, you can click on a little drop-down menu to add some more quick access icons next to the Save icon that is already displayed. Under the tab bar, you will find different features and tools of the currently selected tab. In the middle of iiQWorks.Sim, you can see the simulation window. This is our view inside our production facility, which is currently empty. On the top of the window, there is the simulation toolbar. On the left side, you can find the settings of this view. On the bottom left of the simulation window, you can switch between different predefined point of views. On the left of the simulation window, you will find components, programs, and other things to select and to work on. In the Home tab, you will have the eCatalog as you see it right now, but you can switch to the cell graph or devices. On the right side of the simulation window, you will find the properties of the objects that you selected. And on the bottom of the simulation window, you can see the output information of the simulation. You can drag and drop around the different windows to your liking and also attach them to a specific location. If by any chance you delete one of them by clicking on the little X, you can find them again by selecting them in the Show drop-down menu on the upper right corner. Another button that is very useful can be found just next to it, a button to restore the windows to the default setting.
Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe the KUKA channel for more content. For practical training and workshops, visit the KUKA College. Stay tuned for more tutorials and insights.
Making automation easier.